The Supreme Court has issued a landmark verdict redefining the Aravalli Hills, ruling that elevations below 100 meters no longer qualify as part of this ancient range.
We are at Pawana Ahir, which is a very secluded village at Rajasthan, and till now we have covered around 3 villages, and one thing has been common, that is illegal mining all throughout the Aravalli Hills. And right now I'll show you the situation because it is caught on our camera. As you can see, there are 3 trucks. When we came here, when Republic came here, this was a well lit area. Mining was going on, and as per the DGMC order, which is Directorate General of Mine Safety, DGMS's order, no mining is allowed post sunset. So the allowed time period is between sunrise to sunset. But we reached here around half an hour ago, and this entire area I am showing you, which is pitch dark right now, this was completely well lit. There you can see there are 3 trucks who are functioning, who are carrying out the mining, illegal mining of that sorts. And the moment they saw us arriving, they started turning off the lights one by one. All these trucks who were working, they became stationary, and now this entire area, which was very well lit just 15 minutes ago, is completely pitch black. Now, even if you see, we'll also show you just a few meters ahead from us, a small light. That is the only light which is still there, which is not even 2% of the light, how well lit this area was. And that is where this entire area, there was mining going on against the law, against the order. And after being reminded n number of times, they still continue to do this. And this has been a common practice in all the villages that we have covered till now. And the locals have told us that this remains to be similar all throughout the Aravalli Hills, and this is before the Supreme Court has accepted the new definition of Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills and several of its mountains have been chopped off from the top so that they don't qualify the 100-meter criteria, which is no mountain which is below the 100 meters will be considered a part of Aravalli Hills. Thus, it will lose protection. It will lose government protection, and it'll be open to corporate affairs, to construction, to mining, and illegal mining for that matter.
The Aravallis, long plagued by rampant illegal mining, now face even greater threats after the Supreme Court's verdict excluding hills under 100 meters from protected status. Miners could soon exploit these areas unchecked, accelerating environmental devastation. Ground reports from Rajasthan reveal vast mining pits swallowing 3 villages where illegal extraction continues unabated, with no authority stepping in to halt the destruction. As Parliament's winter session wrapped up, one glaring omission stood out: no meaningful debate on Delhi's choking air pollution or the Supreme Court's Aravalli's verdict. Instead, lawmakers spent precious time on issues like a row over TMC MPs allegedly vaping e-cigarettes in the Lok Sabha, endless squabbles over Vande Mataram, or renaming the Special Investigation Team as Special Investigation Report.
आज जो हालात पूरे देश के अंदर हैं, दुनिया के अंदर भी बन चुके हैं, आप देखोगे जगह-जगह एनवायरनमेंट की बातें हो रही है, जलवायु परिवर्तन की बातें हो रही है, बड़ी-बड़ी सेमिनार आयोजित हो रही है, बड़े-बड़े देश इसको लेकर बड़े चिंतित हैं। लेकिन हम जो है, हम चिंतित नहीं है, हमें कोई चिंता नहीं है कि अरावली को किस प्रकार से बचाया जाए। आज केंद्र सरकार ने ये सिफारिश भेजी कि 100 मीटर से जो कम ऊंचाई की पहाड़ियां हैं, उनको माइंस के लिए खोल दिया जाए। तो ये सिर्फ अपने उद्योगपति मित्र उनको फायदा देने के लिए, बीजेपी के जो लोग हैं उनको फायदा देने के लिए किया जा रहा है। राजस्थान के खुद मंत्री हैं जो राजस्थान में अजमेर में पढ़े हैं, अलवर में वो सांसद बने हैं, और अलवर के पड़ोस में हरियाणा में उनका जन्म स्थल है। तो हरियाणा, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, गुजरात, यही तो अरावली का एक हिस्सा है, और उसमें से 80% अरावली राजस्थान के अंदर, हरियाणा के अंदर भी है। दिल्ली की जो हालात है आज क्या है, यानी कि मास्क में भी सांस लेना मुश्किल हो रहा है। कोर्ट फटकार लगा रही है, एनजीटी फटकार लगा रही है, आप सारे प्रयास कर चुके हैं, आपने निर्माण कार्य रोक दिए, आपने तंदूर तक पे बैन लगा दिया, लेकिन माइंस आप खोलना चाहते हो। ये मेरी समझ से बाहर है कि तंदूर बैन करके तो आप पर्यावरण बचा लेंगे और अरावली को खोल के पर्यावरण को कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। तो एक बहुत बड़ा इश्यू है और जनता सब जान चुकी है। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ देश को जाति और धर्म में बांट के हिंदू मुस्लिम की बात करके वोट लेके गायब हो जाते हैं, जबकि हकीकत ये है कि आज देश के अंदर जिस प्रकार से अरावली पूरे देश और दुनिया के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा खतरा आप पैदा कर रहे हो, इसको खत्म करके।
While the Aravalis are exploited, the parliament members are occupied with their endless banter sessions. While the Aravalis destroy and Delhi suffers in smog, the leaders of the country prioritized tattling over tea. For years, public outcry over the Aravalis has been ignored, and now protests are erupting against the Supreme Court's new verdict. Protesters accuse the ruling of prioritizing industry over environment, with fears of irreversible damage to one of India's oldest natural barriers.